You and Panky hanging out? Having a little get together here? I think he sees something that he likes. Panky, settle down. Those are those are Haley treats. Panky, stop. He's after your treats. He likes the cheese treats. Can't imagine. Panky, stop. That's Haley's. That's Haley's treat. You better watch your fingers. He's gonna think those are tasty too. Honey, you're not finished with that one. Your mouth is full and you're saying more.
More.
How do you say please? Finish chewing. What's in your mouth? You want more, please? Okay. How can I resist that?